everyone. Welcome to another new vlog. Now, there have been many questions like how to get admitted in VIT, what are the subjects available, what exams we have to clear for getting admitted in VIT, what subjects are being taught. So yes guys, today I am here to answer all your questions. So don't skip a single moment of the video and keep watching. For doing BTech in biotechnology, you have to first of all clear the exam VIT EEE 2024. And for getting admission in MSc, it is purely based on the marks secured by you in your undergraduate level. Short glimpse about the BTech exam like VIT EEE. As I told you, for getting admission in any courses of BTech, you have to clear the exam VIT EEE. For that reason, you require some eligibility criteria. You have to get a minimum average of 60% in PCM or PCB for general category and minimum of 50% average in for SC or ST category. The exam will consist of 125 MCQs. It is a 2 hours 30 minutes exam and there is no negative marking for the questions. And here I will show you some pattern of the question which will come, which might help you. Now for getting admission for MSc courses, you have to, it is purely based on the marks secured by you in undergraduate level. Now for life sciences courses, there are three basically life science courses available: MSc in biotechnology, MSc in applied microbiology and MSc in applied genetics. All these are 2 years courses. For applying for this application, you have to be a graduate in any branches of the biological sciences like zoology, botany, microbiology, biotechnology, nutrition, agricultural science with a minimum average of 60%. Online form for the academic year 2024 will be available from February 2024 onwards. The admission is purely based on the marks secured by the candidates in the undergraduate level, on the basis of which they will publish the merit list, and if the candidate is not able to clear the cutoff, he or she will not able to get admitted in VIT. After filling the application form, they will ask for your choice preference one day, and after you have given the choice preference, suppose your first preference is for doing MSc in biotechnology. For that, you will give the option 1 or preference 1 as biotechnology, and option 2 microbiology, option 3 as microbial genetics if your choice preference is that, and on the basis of which they will publish a merit list where your rank will be visible, and after 2-3 days after publishing the merit list, they will publish or tell in which branch of life sciences you have been selected or you will get an admission, and after that you have to pay the admission fees and get admitted. The hostel fees, the mess fees which you will pay on the first year is applicable for the two next semester. Means for the 2 semester you have to pay only once, and the hostel fees also include the laundry charges, which is 44 washes per year. In VIT, there are many foreign languages which are being taught. In BTech courses, actually you can opt for the foreign language which you want to study, like there are French, German, Spanish, Chinese, there are many such languages. And for MSc courses, for studying foreign language, you have to clear the English EPT test. English EPT test is a test which consists of several English grammars MCQ. You have to clear the exam, and the basis of your performance you will get either German language or French language. And if you are not able to clear the EPT exam, you will be having English in your first sem, and I will make a detailed video shortly on this EPT test also. Hopefully you all enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. We will be soon back with another new vlog. Till then, bye bye. See you again.